Hello, hello. Good evening. So anong oras na? 5 p.m. So welcome sa Dotsky TV. So if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and react to our videos para we can create more content like this. Support ng mga boss. By the way, we're from Ares server. Boss Toyo, BYG Guild, shout out. So, our content for today mga boss, mga bossing, kumusta buhay-buhay dyan? So, ang content natin ngayon is just a quick video for it's about Eternal Path at saka yung konting update sa updates sa game. So, first check muna natin yung update. Saan na ba yun? Give me one moment mga boss. Alright, so check ko kung pwede ba siyang ilipat. Saglit lang. Windows, Chrome, Origin, hindi. Wag yan. Balik tayo sa Discord. Yan. Alright. So, nag-maintenance kanina. So, check natin yung bagong update. So, we are excited to announce the new update. Several important fixes, optimization, to enhance your gaming experience. Please note that the update details. So maintenance kanina 10 a.m. hanggang 12, so 2 hours lang. So adjustment and add-ons. Important, new rare spirit pack level 65. Okay, new rare spirit pack. So previously it's just around 300 something Dias yata yun, diamond. Oo, 300 something lang. Ngayon 499 na mga boss. Naging 499 na yung rare spirit. Sayang, 65. Sayang. Ang mahal. So, kailangan mo in Philippine money, you need to spend around 500. 500. So, check natin. Let's check that out. Yes. So, dito ba yun? Ay, dito. Alright. So, nasa event pack siya. So, kung titingnan nyo ito, rare. Open chest spirit fragment, rare level 65. So complete set na to. However, 499. So kung i-purchase mo, 499. Saan ba 'yon? 499 is you can purchase 500 diamonds for $20. $20, 400 ba 'yun? 500 ba 'yun? Check natin calculator. Make sure natin. So 58 times 20. Hindi pre, 1,116. Akala ko 500. So kailangan mo gumastos na mga nasa 1,160 para ma-purchase mo to. Hindi, yun eh, dollar to Philippine money. So kung basta nasa around 1,000 din yung kailangan mong bilhin para makakuha ka ng 500 diamonds, tapos para mabili mo yung maganda to, promise maganda to, maraming stats na naibibigay at nadadagdag sa character mo. So you need to purchase this one guys as much as possible if you have money. If not, then it's okay. So you can just use you can actually just upgrade it. I have a tutorial video for spirit. I've created that one. So as what you can see, we have a rare white one. As well, you can see a lot of effects, spirit effects, and added attributes. So as with this one, so ito walang spirit effect, no spirit effect. Tapos konti lang yung attributes. Pero maganda yung mga nabibigay sa attributes sa mga rare. So ganito. So ganito lang, combine lang mga boss. Combine lang hanggang makakuha ka ng mga rare. Yun nga is random yung nakukuha mo kapag magko-combine ka. Again, for tutorial on how you can combine it, how can you upgrade it into a rare from normal to this one and to this rare. So Ano bang bago? To Elite, tapos Rare, Epic, Epic, parang sa ano eh, ML eh. Ano ba yun? Grandmaster. Ito, Grandmaster. Itong kulay. Tapos, magiging, upgrade mo yung dalawa. Magiging ano, tawag nito? Rare. Bakit namatay yun? May patch pa ba? Parang nag-lag yata yun ah. Okay lang yun. May revival naman. Alright. Dalawa pa lang ano. Dalawang giant party. So, yun na mga boss. At meron ng ano, bagong balik tayo. Balik muna tayo sa event. Okay, so when the character reaches level 60 or higher, Rare Spirit Pack level 65 will automatically be available for sale within 7 days. Grabe, within 7 days lang. So, within 7 days, kailangan mo nang bilhin to bago pa mawala. After 7 days, the Rare Spirit Pack level 65 will automatically disappear. Grabe, limited lang pala. Maximum purchase limit is 2 packages. So, Battle Pass SS3 Season 3. So, balik tayo. Check natin yan. Alright. So, Season 3 Battle Pass. Saan ba yun? Ito. Alright. So, ito yung matatanggap mo. I've already purchased the Battle Pass. So, gawin mo lang is magpapalevel ka lang. Gawin mo lang tong mga task na to. Forge any equipments 3 times. Defeat 200 monster. Dali lang yan. Ito, minsan hindi ko talaga to nakukuha. Unique boss. Ito, chat sa guild. Yung firm. Ito yung firm. Arena. Yun lang. Madali lang to. So, everyday, as much as possible, click mo yan. Or naka-check yan lahat yung naka-green. Tapos, yung naiiwan ko every time is yung ano lang talaga. Unique boss. Parang kailangan mong makapatay sa unique bago mo ito makuha. Pero okay lang yan. Nako-complete ko naman yan. Tapos, yun. So, ito yung mga prices nyo. Meron ka ng element stone. Actually, walang silbi ito yung element stone eh. Kasi nakukuha mo naman yan sa mga ano. Tapos, imagine ilan na yung bigay na 20. Hindi talaga ano. Pero yung good thing is, ito yung nakakuha mo, mga buffs. Okay, elixir. Ito, pwede na rin to. Lucky. Which is hindi masyado magandang bigay. Itong mga ganito yung dapat ibibigay. Yung mga astral, itong egg. Yung mga ito, kasi mga mahal to eh. Kailangan mo gumastos ng self. Kaya, hindi na kailangan masyado to. Yung elements, hindi masyadong importante. Importante lang siya kasi kailangan mo kailangan mo lalo na pag gusto ka magpaganda ng weapon nyo, maglagay ng blues, kailangan mo talaga ng elements. Pero kung sa event, less kailangan natin yan. So ito, akala ko full or yung full package na makukuha mo, yung 4. Pero nabasa ko, tsaka spirit fragment lang pala, level 65, isa lang yung makukuha mo. Pero ito yung point ko. Pinurchase mo ng 200 dito, tapos makukuha ka ng 200 kapag na-complete mo. So far, madali lang siya i-complete, guys. Nakapag-complete na ako nito. Basta gawin, again, yung gagawin mo lang is, as much as possible, gawin mo lahat ng tasks. Okay? Or meron at least one na matira. Kasi yung unique, mahirap yun eh. Alright. So, balik tayo doon sa update. Okay. Adjust the number of exchange for degree 8 and degree 9 rings in the collection event. Okay, let's talk about collection event mga boss. Balik tayo doon. Grabe naman yun, Silk Road. Grabe naman. Ang pangit naman ng collection event nyo. Ito yung collection event nila, guys. Alam nyo, mas pinahirapan pa nila. Nung una, 3 dito, tapos gold, tapos ito makukuha mo, precious chest. Yung ginawa nila, ito pa. kailangan mong kumuha nito pang-apat, which is hindi siya rarely lang madadrop. Rarely lang madadrop. For example, kapag makumpleto mo to, exchange mo ng isang precious chest. Tapos yung precious chest is random yung makukuha mo. In which, para makapag-upgrade ka ng accessories, titingnan mo mga guys ha. Kung for example, level 52 Seal of Sun, kailangan mo level 52 ng Seal of Sun para makakuha ka ng Seal of Moon na 64. Okay, which is okay lang naman. Pero kung titingnan yung mga coins, kailangan mo ng exchange ticket na magkano? 75 pieces? 75 pieces. Ulitin ko, kailangan yung exchange ticket na 75 pieces. Paano nyo makukuha yung exchange ticket? Is dito nyo lang pwede kuhanin or sa market kung bibilhin nyo. So, which is random nakukuha nyo yung exchange ticket dito. Alright. So, yun nga. Pangit na event. Pera-pera lang. Tapos dito, mobile. Ito, mahirap ma-drop to. So, yung ginagawa ko na lang, para hindi masayang yung mga drops nito, yung mga Silk Road Origin, ito yung kinakuha ko. Yung mga, yung ito, powder at saka yung astral. Huwag nyo na kunin yung iba unless kung gusto nyo yung degree 9 na astral tsaka lucky powder. Kasi mahal din yan. 10 silk din yan. Tapos marami kang bibilhin kasi kung mag-a-ups ka, malalaman mo na kailangan mo pala na maraming astral tsaka lucky powder. So, walang silbi ito, elements. Walang silbi yan. Okay. Kapag sa event, walang silbi yung kasi may nadrop naman yung elements sa material through decay. Alright, so yun lang yung tip. Again, sa event na to, I would recommend, instead of trying to get this precious chest, I would recommend you just purchase this one. Marami ka pang masisave na silk kasi mag-a-ups ka din naman sa mga armor weapon nyo. Ito, walang silbi ito. Mas pinahirapan. Mahirap na nga yung isa. Pinahirapan pa nila ngayon. Ano mo, wala bang event na walang masyadong bayad? Yung parang pang masa ba? Para namang parang Mir 4 naman to. Pera. Alright, so anyway, alam kasi nila na maraming mga OGs na yung mga usually naglalaro sa Silk Road is mga mga 90s guys, mga bago, wala masyadong mga bata, so mga matured. Alright, so balik tayo dito. So, increase of the daily PK limit to 30. Daily PK increase. So far, kung gusto nyo mag-PK, gawin nyo lang. Meron kayong gustong patayin. Kaya, dito, peace. Click nyo yung peace. So, pwede kayong mag-guild, hostile. Ito, you can attack all other players. Can attack the other players in peaceful status outside the guild for guild. Cannot attack other players, can only retaliate when attacked. So dito, kung naka-peace sign ka tapos atakahin ka ng naka-hostile, pwede kang umatake sa kanya. Pwede kang mag-fight back. Tapos dito, sa guild, can attack other players in peaceful status and outside of the guild or group. Can attack players belonging to other factions. Okay, so itong dalawa. So, factions. So ito naman yung yung Azure Dragon, White Tiger, yung tawag dito, yung parang kung mag-PVP kayo. So click nyo lang yan, tapos accept. Kung gusto nyo mag-PK, dito kayo, tapos accept. Alright, sa PK gawin natin ng ibang content yan. Alright. Kasi mahirap mag-PK. Kailangan mo mag-kill ng mobs at pwede kang patayin kahit sino. Alright. So, balik natin sa update. Okay, so bug fixes. Fix the issue losing experience buff when your app runs in the background. Fix damage issue with certain area skills. Fix the time issue with the mount server to the next map. Fix the adjustment mechanism for the revival skill in the segment battle. Fix the display of ice shield branch name in the soul skills. Fix the overlapping UI for the inventory and main UI. Fix the issue map loading chest that has been claimed but still shows red. Fix the loss of the map UI and after fighting monsters for a certain period of time. Okay, so thank you for your continued support and understanding as we work to improve the game. So compared sa Joy Max na developer ng Silk Road is masasabi natin mukhang pera to. But anyway, we still love the game naman. Meron tayong nakita dito yung update or clarifying regarding about 9 degree. So may nakita tayo dito, not official announcement, introduction ba yun? Official media. Basta may nakita ko dito na hindi pa sila gagamit ng degree 9. Just to clarify things na hindi pa sila mag-update ng degree 9. Kasi daw is tawag nito. Kasi daw marami pa silang ibang ina-update, marami pa silang ginagawa at parang pinaprolong lang. So yung mga low level pa pwede pa kayong umabot to level 80. So baka daw mga end of the year or first quarter next year yung mag-open yung degree 9 SOS na magda-drop. So matagal-tagal pa yun mga boys. Alright. So marami na sigurong level 18 yan. Okay. So back to the game. Alright. So yun na yun mga boys. Again, Eternal Path. 7 days. Again, 7 days lang yung event. To purchase a level 65 rare spirit pack. Nagdadalawang isip na ako kung kailangan ko ba to bilhin. 1,000. Sana, by the way, shout out to BYG. Check natin yun. Saan ba yun? Saglit. We have a hide and seek event sa Gale kahapon. Ang daming nanalo mga boss. Okay, check natin. Ito. Saglit. Alright. So, we're recruiting level 60 and above players sa Ares server. Kung gusto niyo sumali, mag-PM lang kayo. Meron tayong mga pwede niyo PM si boss or any member sa in-game sa BYG. Pwede niyo i-PM. Ito. Okay. Check ko muna ba sa ayaw talaga mag-show. Alright. Ayaw talaga niya. Tagilit lang. Alright, ayaw talaga niya mag-show sa Facebook. So, babasahin ko na lang mga boys. Mga quiz. Alright. Saglit lang. Okay. So, I would like to congratulate BYG Guild for a successful event last night. Hide and Seek. Shout out to Jazz Yuzon Winchester, aka Diwata PH, for organizing the event. So winner and prizes are stated below. Congrats to all. Nice game, well played. Jangan winner, 100 Gcash, Viper X. Donhang winner, 250 Gcash, Captain Try. Futan winner, 200 Gcash, Borek Krek. Dunhang Cave, 250 Gcash, Seeker. GL ng BYG. Tapos nag-extend pa yun kasi humihingi na ng yung ibang players na another game. So syempre dahil mabait naman si Boss Diwata, nag-extend pa siya. Namigay pa siya ng additional 1.5. So 500 sa Taklamakan Gcash, nanalo si Rai. Tapos Jangan no hints, whole map ng Jangan 1,000 Gcash. Ang nanalo si Xwiz. 1,000 Gcash mga boss. Alright. So swerte. Congratulations sa lahat. So So come and join our guild. Solid samahan namin. More events to come in our guild. And we're still recruiting active players, level 60 above. And we have an upcoming guild war against Tribu and Seven Sign. Event this Friday, 10 p.m. at Tarim Ferry, Channel 5. Okay, so mga boss ng Tribu at saka Seven Sign, shout out sa inyo. And we will try to record the video for you to see and upload it on one of our FB page group, but we could not cover a live coverage as of the moment since it's a conflict schedule for me. So pwede na tayong makapag actually live sa sa Facebook, kaso lang may trabaho ako niyan Friday. Okay sana kung weekends, Sabado, Linggo, pwede. Pero may biyahe din ako sa sa weekend. Uuwi kami kasi fiesta doon sa Argao, Cebu. So sa ngayon, delay video lang muna tayo. Okay, by the way, meron din pala akong i-share. Asan ba 'yon? Selling Glaby level 74 account. Tawag nito. Just PM your offers. Level 74 Glaby. Naka 7 SOS set siya, 7. Wala siyang hindi SOS yung accessories niya, pero yung set niya, armor is naka Seal of Star plus 7. Tapos yung Glaby niya is, saan ba yun, boss? Check ko saglit lang. Check ko lang saglit, mga boss. Just message me. Hindi pala Glaby. Actually Glaby yung skill niya, pero yung dala niya is 7 spear. Hindi SOS yung spear, but normal na plus 7. Tapos yung set niya is plus 7. Yung isa lang yung plus 6 na yung sa shoulder, sa hands. Okay, so yun na mga boss. So again, don't forget to support and like our channel. More power to BYG, and lalo na sa mga kawar namin this Friday, Tribu and Seven Sign. Okay, sana masaya lahat sa war. And parang marami na yatang all-star dito Marami ng all-star dito sa spot ko. Sige. Okay. Thank you and maraming salamat sa lahat.